Hi students, welcome to Tentative Language. Today we're going to check the topic of the use of tentative language to generate discussion. First, we're going to check what is tentative language. Tentative language is cautious language that is used to make a statement open to interpretation because the claim you're making is neither proven nor final. We have an example. What will happen if there was no discrimination? In my perception, the society will be better. So, as you can see, the person number one is making a question and it is generating an interpretation from the other person. This is how the tentative language works. We can use these aspects of the language. We can use verbs. We have examples: appear, suggest, indicate. We also can use modals: may, can, could, will. We also use adverbs: possibly, probably, likely. So, we have some examples here. In verbs, educations appear as the most important right for Mexicans. In modals, discriminations would or could be avoided. In adverbs, the right of health is probably the most crucial aspect for people. So, tentative language is to generate ideas or interpretations and to generate discussions. So, today we're going to check, or we're going to focus on the use of would. Modal, we're going to use would. We use it to talk about hypotheses. When we imagine something, we have some examples. What will happen if the sun went down? What will happen if people were more polite? Those are some examples for tentative language and using would. This is the structure. So, we can use tentative language to generate a discussion, know the ideas of others, and establish a conversation. It is your turn to use tentative language. You can write in the comments some phrases that could be tentative language. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next class.